The AMC Javelin SST stood out in the muscle car era as a bold and distinctive option, blending aggressive style with performance that challenged the big names from Detroit. Its long hood and fastback roofline gave it a sleek, athletic stance, making it instantly recognizable on the street. The body was sculpted with sharp lines and flared fenders, giving the car a muscular presence that rivaled its competitors. Chrome accents, unique grille designs, and available racing stripes made it look even more dramatic, while its wide track and low-slung design enhanced its road presence. Inside, the Javelin SST offered a cockpit that felt sporty and driver-focused. Bucket seats with high bolstering kept drivers firmly in place, while the dashboard featured a symmetrical layout with deeply recessed gauges. The center console and optional wood grain trim added a premium touch, giving the interior a blend of sportiness and sophistication. It was built to feel more upscale than some rivals, appealing to buyers who wanted a bit of luxury with their muscle car performance. Under the hood, the Javelin SST had a range of powertrains that made it a serious contender in the muscle car wars. Options ranged from reliable inline sixes for everyday driving to thundering version 8S that could deliver blistering acceleration. The 390 cubic inch V8, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, was a favorite for enthusiasts, producing strong horsepower and torque numbers. The car's suspension was tuned for handling as well as straight-line speed, making it surprisingly capable on winding roads. Performance packages like the Go package added heavy-duty suspension components, power front disc brakes, and performance gearing, transforming the SST into a serious street and track machine. Buyers could also choose from bold color options that amplified its personality, with bright hues and two-tone combinations that made it pop. The AMC Javelin SST became a statement car for those who wanted to stand out from the sea of Mustangs, Camaros, and Challengers. It combined unique styling, strong performance, and a sense of individuality that attracted a loyal following. Today, it's celebrated as a classic that represents AMC's bold attempt to compete in the golden age of muscle cars.